Hi, this is Randy Gammo here from National Mortgage Home Loans with your 5 points today. First point we want to go over is self-employed borrowers. We do a lot of self-employed borrowers, and one big issue that we have is if you haven't owned a business anymore for more than 5 years, you cannot use 1-year tax returns being a self-employed borrower. This is a big problem because a lot of our borrowers think, well, we can just basically show a little bit more money next year. It's not going to be like that anymore. Freddie Mac has made this change. It's going to go into effect in March. So going forward, say bye to that program. You have to be in business for 5 years or more to use only 1 year as tax returns. Second point, Fannie Mae has increased their loan limits to $424,100. FHA has increased theirs to $275,665. These are in Oakland and Macomb County. Other loan limits have increased. We're only reporting those two counties today. Qualified pre-quals. We're actually going to go through and give you a full-out pre-qual underwritten loan to give to your realtors on your next purchase transaction. How this helps. It's an underwritten loan instead of just a pre-qual somebody typed up that might not even looked at your file, looked at your taxes. A full-out underwritten pre-qual approval, that's something else that we're doing here at National Mortgage Home Loans. Next thing on your ARM programs. We don't normally sell ARM programs, but when it's a half point, maybe 3/4 of a point below the 30-year fixed rate, that's something that we can definitely put our stamp of approval on. So that's something that we're actually giving more and more on. No points on our ARMs. They're a half point to 3/4 of a point less than the 30-year fixed rate. That's something else to ask us about here. Last point, we're going to make our dower rights. From now on, when you're buying a house, you should add your wife or your significant other to the loan, to your title. The reason is because there's no longer dower right protection. There used to be where a wife had dower right protection. If a husband was buying a property, that no longer exists. So from now on, when you're buying a house, make sure you add your wife onto that home. Or if you're a wife, you should make sure that you get added onto that title. So that's it here today from National Mortgage Home Loans. This is Randy Gammo signing out. Thanks.